So this is a little catio maintenance video, I guess you could call it. The little outhouse over there has to be dried out and cleaned out in nice weather, so took the top off and scraped all the cat litter out that didn't stay in the bucket. We'll let the sun beat on it all day and then we'll put it back together. Here's Mr. Loki checking it out. Yeah. They have to, boy, anything new. Loki. Be careful. Well, look at you. Oh, and there's Luna. I think Miss Muffy is sleeping, so I know she won't be out. I'll just close the door there. Boy, Loki's really interested. You can see his fur starting to come. Oh, hi. It's a nice day to be on the catio. Loki the lion. Loki Lionheart. We call him Loki the Brave because he saved all the other kitties on the very scary day when they all got outside. Loki came to the front door in a panic, paddling on the front door because his buddy Bear was over by the other side of the house, frozen beside the chimney and absolutely terrified. So Loki came to the door to get us, and we saved Loki, Luna, and Bear on the very scary day. Yeah, that's sort of the short version of it. Boy, Loki's very curious about what's going on. All this debris on the deck is from Hurricane Lee. I suppose I should let it dry up a bit and it'll sweep off easier. There's Bear over there behind the outhouse. We'll give that a good airing out today, drying out. We reinforced it last year. Okay. We reinforced it and closed in the sides on it. It was just open lattice on the white part there. Yeah, you can see on the inside. It was just open lattice, so the snow would blow in. And that's no fun when you're in the outhouse and there's snow blowing in on you, even if you're a kitty. So we closed in the sides and made it solid and strong. It made it much stronger too, with the lattice in behind there. So yeah, that's our little design, I guess you could call it. It's a box with a roof on it. Oh, Loki. Hi. Yeah. We're gonna get our sunshine today, I believe. Comes Bear. Not sure what to think. Here comes Loki. Now, if he gets any chance at all, he will jump out at Luna and surprise her. He loves to do that to her. I love to watch them drink. Oh, she's going to do the scoop method. I've seen Bear do this before. Sometimes they scoop it with their lower jaw. And then sometimes they just lick it up. See, there's the scooping. Yeah. The lobster, we call him. He's always teasing Luna. Bear's butterscotch bib. It's looking very pretty today. The trees out back here haven't started to turn color yet. The trees in the front of our house have. Started anyway. Bear's got to get up on it.